Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Roots. In this video I want to show you how to make these amazing facial soaps. So I have used goat's milk melt and pour soap base, turmeric and chamomile. The reason I'm using goat's milk soap is because it is rich in fatty acids that can help support and promote healthy skin barrier to keep your skin nourished and moisturized. It is high in lactic acids which can also help exfoliate your skin. And then I'm using turmeric, which helps lighten dark spots. It boosts healing and you achieve your glowing skin. Chamomile boasts of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help soothe your skin, reducing any scars or blemishes that you might have. So first of all, I'm going to cut up the soaps and then we'll start the melting process. I have used 500 grams and I'm going to pop this in the microwave for every 30 seconds. I'm going to pop it back in until it's all melted. Make sure you have rubbing alcohol to get rid of all the bubbles on the melt and pour soap base. I'm going to add the chamomile and we're using 1 teaspoon of chamomile dried flowers. After stirring the chamomile and soap, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Make sure that you thoroughly mix this. I would also recommend that if you could combine the turmeric with glycerin before mixing, that will make the job much easier for you. Next, I'll be adding a few drops of tea tree oil. And the reason I'm using tea tree oil because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It is great for treating acne and it helps reduce and prevent acne scars, leaving your skin much smoother and clear. Next, you're going to need a soap mold and make sure that you spray some rubbing alcohol on it. Make sure you spray some rubbing alcohol to get rid of all the bubbles on the soap. So I continue to add more soap in the molds, and you notice that some had more soap than the others because I didn't want them to all be too full. I'm going to set this aside for the next 2 to 3 hours until it's all set. And that's the finished look of the soap there. They're so pretty and I love the shape of them. I did not want them so big because they're facial soaps and I want them to look different from the other soaps that I make. So if you have any soap molds, try use the smaller ones and try be creative with your soap. So this is an amazing natural soap. Make sure you use it twice a day, in the morning and nighttime before bed, followed up by a night cream. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to thumbs up this video and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button so that you don't miss any videos like this. I'll be having a new video on how to make night cream soon, so stay tuned to this. To all my old subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate your support, and remember to thumbs up this video and share this video. Until next time, see ya.